Hey guys, it's Giridhar here for G-Phone Tech, and today I'm gonna review the Fastrack Reflex Wav for you. I reviewed the first generation Fastrack Reflex watch and it was a huge hit in this channel. Following the Fastrack Reflex, now we have the Fastrack Reflex Wav, which is one of the slimmest smart bands available in India right now. Without further ado, let's go ahead and check it out. Alright, before I talk about the Fastrack Reflex Wav, let me unbox it. The box packaging looks neat. A lot of information about the Fastrack Reflex Wav can be seen printed on the box for you. The moment you open up the box, you will be greeted with this smart band. You also get a proprietary charger to charge this smart band, a user manual and the warranty card. This band comes with 1 year of warranty. Now let's have a look at the smart band. The band is very slim, very lightweight. It is so lightweight that sometimes I forget I'm actually wearing it in my hand. Of course, it's a Fastrack product, so it's gotta be fashionable and stylish. The tracker can be removed from the band separately and you can actually go in for a replacement band if at all you manage to damage this band. But the band by itself is very sturdy and very comfortable to wear in the hand. This band does not have heart rate sensor. The first time you open up this band, you will have to charge it to switch it on. But let's leave it to charge for a while and download the companion application. The companion application can be downloaded from Android or iOS depending upon the mobile phone you have. Once you have the application installed in your mobile phone, it's fairly easy to pair the band and the application. Now it is definitely important for you to have this companion app. Of course, you can use the band without the companion app, but if you don't install the application, you'll be losing out on a lot of features that this band has got to offer. Let me talk to you about the different features of this Fastrack Reflex Wav. The first and obvious feature is that this is a pedometer, so it can track your steps. The step tracking is pretty accurate and it does not track a lot of false positives like when you're riding a bike or on a flight. This band also has sleep tracking. But the unique selling point of this Fastrack Reflex Wav is its gesture controls. With the turn of a wrist, you can actually go back or go forward from the song you're playing on your mobile phone. You can also use gestures on the band to click shots on your mobile camera. But what I found really unique to this product is its ability to control your PowerPoint application. You would have to install a separate software on your desktop and connect the software with your mobile application, which in turn is connected to your smart band. When you manage to have this connection seamlessly, you can actually advance or go back on PowerPoint slides with a twist of a wrist. Apart from this, you can use the application to set alarm on your band and also set a second city or a second time zone on this smart band. The display is good in indoors and it has got a fairly acceptable brightness even in outdoors. The band can also display notifications from multiple applications like your phone, messaging, WhatsApp, Twitter or Facebook. If you get a long message, you can actually read the entire message because the message actually scrolls on your watch. Navigating the smart band by itself is fairly simple. Below the display is a touch area which you can swipe to navigate or click on the left or right to select depending upon the option that's there on the screen. I got about 4 to 5 days of battery life on this smart band. Comparing with the other smart bands that's available in the market right now, this might seem less, but this is a very slim and thin smart band. But another plus point is that this smart band has IP67 water and dust resistance. The companion app can show you your step count and also give you details about your sleep and sleep pattern. It can help you control notifications that's seen on the smart band and do a bunch of other configurations right from the application. Many people have asked me about setting time in a smart band. Well, it is a smart band, so you really can't set time in the smart band. You would have to sync the time from your mobile phone using this companion app with this Reflex Wav smart band. The application is very simple and easy to use by all age groups. This Fastrack Reflex Wav is priced at around $4,995 right now, or $77. For this price, you get a very slim and stylish watch. Yes, I said watch because this one qualifies to be called a watch with a lot of smartness in it. But this Reflex Wav has got a style quotient and you can show off your attitude in style. Well, this is an Indian company and the product, though it is manufactured outside of the country, the design and development of this product is from India. Though the product seems a little pricey, I like this Fastrack Reflex Wav because of the style quotient and the unique gesture controls that it brings to the table. What do you think about this Fastrack Reflex Wav? Let me know in the comment section below. I hope you like this video. If you like to watch more such videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Until I catch up with you on the next video, this is Giridhar signing off. Goodbye.